Shabba-labba-dubba-dubba-ding-dong. I'm Ernie Harshman, professor that is, here with some home nifty science experiments. With me is my assistant, Professor Sam. Today we're moving from the comfort of my lab, can you show them please, cameraman Kenny, back to the cooking extremities. That's where the gangsta stuff happens. Let's come on back. For today's experiment, we're going to be crushing a can, and it's going to crush itself. We're going to need the teaspoon measurer outer, of course a can, some tongs, and back here is a bowl of extra cold water. Let's come on back. First off, what you want to do is take your 1 tablespoon, sorry. Thank you, Professor Sam, that's why you're a professor. And dip it into the water. Colder the better. Pour it into your can, just a little extra for good measure. And Professor Sam, my assistant, is kind enough to heat up the stove for me. We are now going to place the can onto the stove. We're going to have to wait a little bit because the water in the can has to boil. So Sam has a new great invention or product that he would like to show us. Professor Sam, take it away.
Look what I found. An apple slicer. I wonder if I have an apple. Oh, there's one right here. Ah. Okay, so what you do here is you take the center hole. You take this center hole and you place it here. Make sure the stem is out of the way. And all you do is just push down. See how it protrudes from the center and leaves the core stranded by itself. Now turn it over and push it through each single slice of apples that are green.
Delicious. Toss me one. That's perfectly sliced.
Some good
Thank
taste in apples.
Thank you, Professor Sam.
Make sure you throw the core away because it's very unhealthy to eat.
Thank you, Professor Sam, for that nifty product update. Kenny, come on back because I hear the water boiling. What you want to do, kids, is listen for the water to boiling. I hear it popping. Put up the camera next to it and see if you can hear it popping. If you're really brave, what you can do is actually look into the can and see the water boiling. It's getting there right now, but it's not at the level that we want it to be at. We just gotta wait a little more until it's like. So I'm gonna eat this perfectly sliced apple that Professor Sam gave me. We'll wait just a while longer. I want to stay just a little bit longer. Who wrote that song? That was the Bee Gees. Good apples. Okay, I think that we're pretty good. What do you think, Professor Sam?
I agree.
Now what we're going to do for the next step is we're going to pick up the can with the tongs, turn it over, throw it in the water, and it's going to go boom and crush the can all by itself. Kenny, why don't you stand right here so you can get a good view of the can crushing. Notice the steam rising out. That means it's ready. I'm picking up the can. 5, 4, 3. Voila! Look at that bad boy. It's crushed like a mother. Let's go back to the lab to sign out. I'm Professor Ernie, and this is my assistant, Professor Sam. We just made a can crush itself. That is sure a home nifty science experiment. Signing off. Till next time, my friends. Adios.